Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious kimchi dish. First, choose a fresh napa cabbage, ideally weighing 2 to 3 pounds. Cut the cabbage into 2-inch pieces, then rinse them well under cold water. Next, place the cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle it with 1/2 cup of salt, ensuring even coverage. Let it sit for about 2 hours to soften. Now, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. You'll need about 6 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Mince both the garlic and ginger very finely to release their aromas. In a separate bowl, combine these with 1/4 cup of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. Mix everything until it forms a thick, vibrant paste. After 2 hours, rinse the salted cabbage thoroughly under cold running water to remove excess salt. Make sure to drain it very well, squeezing out any extra moisture. Now, in a large bowl, combine the rinsed cabbage with your prepared kimchi paste. Use your hands, wearing gloves, to thoroughly mix the paste into every piece of cabbage until it's evenly coated. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Let it ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on how sour you like it. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator, where it will continue to ferment slowly and can be enjoyed for up to 3 weeks. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade kimchi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.